Hello and welcome to my demonstration video. Today I will be teaching how to set a table properly. This sometimes isn't emphasized in our culture as much as it used to be. It used to be a more important thing for young people growing up to learn. But I think it's still an important skill to learn for weddings, dinner parties, holidays, just having people over in general. And it can make things look a lot nicer. So with no further ado, let me pan my camera down to my table so we can get started. So there are specific rules to this that you need to follow for it to be a traditional table setting and for it to be proper. So you start with your plate. As you would think, it is the center of your table setting. So there's your plate, and then you put your fork to the left of your plate. That's where it always goes. And then you add your knife to the right of your plate, and the blade part always needs to be facing inwards towards the plate, and the spoon is then placed next to the knife. And with your water glass, which we will be specific about water glass because in a more detailed table setting there are sometimes coffee cups or wine glasses, and they go in different places, but your water glass will go to the top and to the right of your plate, right above your spoon and your knife. And then a traditional table setting also always has a napkin. For a more casual setting, you can place your napkin on your plate. For a little bit more formal, nice look, you could place it underneath your fork. I'm going to leave it underneath my fork right now because I'm going to demonstrate what you do when you have a side dish plate, like a small salad plate, and a soup bowl. So when you have a small salad plate, you add it to the top left of your plate, right above your fork and your napkin. And when you add a salad plate, you have to remember to add a salad fork. It's usually smaller and it goes to the edge of your fork. You can remember to put it on the outside edge because you remember that everything goes inward, like you start with your salad and your soup on the outside, and then when your main dish, you can use your bigger fork and your knife. That's a great way for me to remember where to put everything. And then your final piece is your soup bowl, placed in the center, and we already have our spoon there, so we don't need to add it. Fancier dinner parties and restaurants will often use a soup spoon if they choose to, so that's something to remember. And this is a traditional table setting. I hope you learned a new skill today and that you can start eating your dinner in style. Thank you.